Hello and welcome friends to RDF Learning, and I'm your teacher with the latest video. In this video we will learn how to use Vlookup two sheets in the same workbook. If you are using MS Excel for your different works, you must know how to use Vlookup in two sheets in the same workbook. I prepare this sheet for you so you can understand better how to use that. So this is our data sheet where we will fill our datas, and below we will get the results. So if you go in the summary or source file, in the source file we prepare one table. In this table you see in one column there is customer name, and the second column there is customer ID, and then further registration date, purchased, is there any pending order, and there is a address of the certain customer. So what we will do, we will prepare a data entry sheet. So whenever we will enter here any specific customer name, so we will get directly the address of such a customer and customer ID, registration date, purchase amount until today, how much they purchased, and is there any pending order. So let's start. First, we will add here the customer name. It will be like a drop down list. So you don't have to type every time. So whatever you have customers, they will be added here in the direct sheet. So first we will add here the drop down list. How to do that? Just click here, and there is already one drop down list. We will just remove it first. We will go data and data validation, and first clear all. Okay, so now it is clear, and then to do the same process again, we'll go data validation. Okay, and then we will choose from here optional list, and we'll enter here the list. To enter the list, just click in the source text box and go to your source file and select the whole column where you have customer names. So just select that, it will come here automatically. Press OK. Now that list is here. So all your customers are here. So you no need to type again and again. Done? Okay. This is done. Let's choose any one. We'll choose this one. Okay. Okay. Now what will happen when we will choose any one of them? Their address will become here, and simultaneously customer ID, registration date, purchase, and pending order will come automatically. So to do that, we will use VLOOKUP. Okay, so VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP, and then they're asking VLOOKUP value. What value need to find? VLOOKUP. So we will choose this cell, that this cell need to find, comma, where to find this cell. We'll go to our source file and choose all this table. We'll choose all the table because we have to use all the columns values. And then we choose already. Now it's asking to do next, comma, which column we want to enter the address 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The column number 6. We'll press here 6, comma, 0, and close bracket, enter. So now, voila, you got the address. Change the customer name. Let's choose Rose Leaf Cafe, and you will see the address, it is changing automatically. Any of them you will choose, it will be directly changed the address. Same process we'll do here in the customer ID. To do that, select insert is equal to Vlookup, okay, open bracket, what value to follow or to find this value, comma, where, go to source file or source sheet, select all table, and then press comma, and then we are here to find customer ID, so it will be column number 2, press 2, comma, 0, close bracket, and enter. That's it. That's it. You see, we got the customer ID. That's very easy. So, what to do next? Instead of entering all the cells, the same formula, we can do it in another way. How to do that? Just copy and paste the same formula in all the cells. Just need to do some changing. Here you will learn one more thing, how to copy VLOOKUP formulas one cell to another cell without disturbing any values, any results. So we will learn here. Just select here, and you can bring your cursor here. You will see the sign of plus. Just select and drag it. Oh, what is this? Don't worry. It will happen because when you will move this value from here to another cell, it will change all the selections from the selected cells and sheets. So let's check here. If you select here, you see E6 and B3, G13. And if you come here, see G6, D13, I13. It's totally changed. So what we'll do, we will just first come back here, delete this one, and delete it, and come back here. First, what we'll do, we will lock. See, double click here. This cell we selected, so we have to lock this cell. So when we will drag this formula from customer ID to another cells, so this selection will not disturb. Simultaneously, the summary, the table, what we selected here in the source file, it should not disturb as well. So what to do next? We will just cancel, and we will come here to do the lock the selected cell. We will type here the sign dollar. First starting and at end. Done. Now this cell has been locked. Same we will do here also, dollar sign, and here also dollar sign. Now all the cells has been blocked. So while dragging the formula, this value will not disturb. Then let's check. The same value must show here. Let's check. Voila, delete this one, no need. See, same value is showing here, but this is not the value we required. We required registration date, and registration date is on the column number 1, 2, 3. So select here, and you see the registration value is on column number 3, but where we are now in column number 2. Just delete and press 3 and enter. Voila! You see, it is clear and done. Date, registration date for such a customer, and this customer ID, the date is 19th May, 19th May 2022. Which customer? Mocha, 19 May 2022. Same we will do for other. Select and drag. Oh, it is because this cell is merged. Go home, unmerge, select again, and come back here, and then merge it again. It is not necessary you will do same that merge two cells together. No need. I did because of some reasons, but it is not important for this class. Just keep it one column only. I merged two columns. No need. Okay. So same date here, but we need which column for purchase amount? What is this? Purchase amount. Purchase amount 1, 2, 3, 4. Column number 4. Just come back here and press here and then delete number 3. Press type column number 4 and enter. You got the amount. You can change the format cell and number, and then see you got the value of purchase amount. Change the color so it looks good, and delete this one, select and select, use blank color, and done and done and done. Now same we will do for pending orders. What we'll do, copy and type here, same will coming here. So for pending orders, what we required the pending orders. Which column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Column number 5. So this is column number 5. Just type here, delete number column 3 and type column number 5 and enter. Oh, yeah, okay. Because there is no any pending order for all our customers. No pending order, so it is always blank. And change this. Okay, so it was very simple and very easy, not take much time to do this kind of small VLOOKUP workout. So let's check once again. It is completed. We'll change from here any customer name or sugar. It's changed. Everything is changed. You see automatically. Just keep your eye on these values, and here you will see it will change. Rose leaf. It is changing. Keep changing. Done. Just check all these things again. 7th September. For June, amount. This one. 16th of June. And address is also keep changing. See? So this is a simple VLOOKUP formula, VLOOKUP practice between two worksheets in the same workbook. Okay, so just do the practice and practice, because practice makes man perfect. And if you want this practice or this class soft copy of this same Excel sheet what we prepared now, so you can find the link in the description, so from where you can download this file to make a to do the practice at your home, at your office. Okay, so see you next. See you another time, another latest class where we will learn something new, different. Okay, so take care. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family, and keep a smile. And please, please, please subscribe my channel, like my video, so you can get all the latest videos on the time. Okay, see you. Take care. See you. Bye bye.